monkey horror. Yeah. Let me see. What? Okay.
I got a yeah on me.
Okay, we're gonna be going. Let's go to forest. Let's go to forest first.
We have to wait for soil. Let's hide from my soil. Let's just stare in here. When he says, "Is anybody here?" Say, "What's up?"
Time lapse.
Yo,
Hot.
Okay,
I'm gonna
let's go.
record too.
Let's go to forest.
Okay.
Bro, I remember
What's
when
up,
I fell. That was
gorillas?
scary
What
as
the
hell.
What the heck is a gorilla? We're playing Scary Monkey Horror. This
Bro,
is a
I
knockoff.
remember
Oh,
when
wait,
I
hold on.
fell.
No, bro, you just said what the hecker.
Bro, I remember when
I
I
didn't say
fell.
hurt.
I got traumatized, bro.
Bro said, my mommy said, bro said, my life's like a video game trying hard to beat the.
Shut up. Alright, let's go.
No, you.
Whoa, buddy.
I hear Lucy. Stop moving.
Wait, where's Lucy? I hear her too.
Oh my god, that just reminded me of when Lucy freaking saved my life.
Oh
bro.
yeah, bro. She came in clutch, bro. She got you a blue card.
Oh, that's creepy.
Whoa.
I'm
Whoa.
really going
Where?
after. Oh,
Leave JJ, leave JJ, leave JJ. Leave JJ.
Lucy.
I know.
I'm going up.
oh crap, hold on. I almost just fell.
How'd you guys get up there?
I did just.
Come here, come here, come here,
I
come here.
just.
What do you think I'm trying to do, stupid?
Say my real name. I'm gonna blur all that out.
I survived.
I'm clenching my cheeks right now.
What? Forgot it, bro.
I'ma have to dig you down soon.
Where are you guys? Oh, there you are.
Is my man
up
really
the
that
bottom.
blind?
Wait.
If you were on my button around the corner, I think I would know.
Boing.
Because he just said, it's like
Mama.
She was a fairy. She was a
Bro, hurry
Yeah.
up.
don't join my
Boxer.
Discord server anymore because I got banned from Discord. So
Because some idiot said he was a non-Sigma, because he said he was non-someone. Because have you ever had a
I
dream?
said "Fuck you, you made
Have
a
you ever
kid,"
had
and
a
then he
dream where
reported me. No, I'm
it's-
joking. I was underage.
Of course you are,
Obviously,
bro.
we're all-
You're one. How, bro? I'm gonna fall and I'm gonna die.
My life's like a video game, trying hard to beat the same dolls. Coins. Can you
Cole, you know you could just win right here. Jumped and boom.
Oh, I'm dead.
Yep, Carter, you're, I mean. Ow! Clutch! Ow! Ow! No way, bro, just broke his ankle. Oh!
No. No.
Go, Carter! Ah!
Cook him! Cook him!
Cook him! Cook him, Cole! Cook him! I saw you! Cook him! No way, no way, I saw you. It's coming!
Oh crap! I'm dead.
Bro, it was hurt. It was I saw you. Now it's hurt. Now it's gonna be me. I'm scared.
He just yeah, I died. But we hear you, idiot. Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna risk my life smelling my armpits, hold on. Oh my god.
I wanna
One, go! Sing with the.
I didn't follow you.
Why?
You're
Why did you
you're
do
bad.
that?
Get better, kid. You're trash. You suck. Go get a life.
Imagine being him Imagine not being him.
Call with y'all. Let's go. I'm just gonna go. One second. Make this.
What
jump.
is
I'm dead. Yep.
Go, go! Wait, go, let's go to caves, guys. Let's go to caves. Let's go to caves. Come on, come on.
Let's go to
Wait,
cave.
man.
Yeah, let's go to caves. There's definitely not spiders here.
Nah, guys, let's go to vapes. I mean, cave. Guys, I think I heard Lucy.
Oh God, who's she gonna go next for?
You.
Wait,
I
did
hope
you
you-
hear Lucy? Wait, she might come in clutch for. I think she might come in clutch.
Shut up. Wait, guys, should we go to mines?
Nah,
Yeah.
nah,
Okay. Here, hold on. We have to have our arms like this, though. We have to have our arms like this.
nah.
Just so we can run faster.
I can't run with it. I can't.
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Yes, we can. That makes you run way slower. Where are we? All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay,
Just stick to the corner.
Wait.
it's right there. It's right there. It's right
Is
there.
that it?
It's-
Oh, that is
yeah, that's
it.
right there.
Stick to the corner.
I might shit my pants. I'm gonna
might-
blur that out too, but wait.
I might figure it out the hard way. Go down. Go down.
Oh, we're good, we're good. Wait, is there a monster in here?
I don't think. What is that? What is that?
Run! You know what? I'm done. Sing with that. Sing for the Sing for the left to sing. Ah! Imagine. Skill issue, kid. Skill issue.
Yes.
Skill issue! No!
These kids
Let's
are
go to
idiots.
it.
I mean,
Let's go
they're
to
really
caves. Let's
smart.
go to let's go to canyons. Let's go to canyons next.
Did you just really just say we're in go to caves? Like, what the f?
Okay, let's go. Wait, this is
Hey.
what we heard. Hello.
Hey, my name is Black.
What?
Hear it. What is that? What is that? What is that?
It's your mom. All right, let's go.
Y'all heard that noise, right?
Yeah. It's
I
down
am the
there.
alpha. I am the leader. I am the one to trust.
trust.
Can we
Go
get out?
down. Carter, don't go down there. They're gonna kill you. They're gonna kill you.
They're gonna say, we're wolves.
And you
we
think that
own
thing's
them."
not gonna kill you?
What do you think?
Guys,
It's a
come over
spider.
here. Guys, those ones can't fly. Come here.
Bro, last time we tried to do this, I fell.
Yeah.
Yeah, he actually fell and then he died. Like,
No, it was me. You weren't there, JJ.
Yeah.
Get over on here, JJ.
Where are you? Blood died. What do you? Ow!
I'm getting off.
No, don't. No, I'm gonna stay. You have to stay here. We gotta see. Wait, we gotta see what the hello guy says. We gotta see what he looks like. We gotta see. Gotta see.